Hi, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm here to tell you all about the August 2024 Creatively Inked, specially curated DIY paper crafting kit. Now, if you're a current subscriber, you can look forward to receiving the kit I'm about to show you. And if you've not yet subscribed, I know you're not going to want to miss this kit. Let me tell you why. We're going to be using the Frosted Forest bundle, which comes with this amazing pack of masks. And we are going to focus on all kinds of tips and techniques showing you how to do ink blending and creating with your masks. By the time you're done with this month's kit, you will be a master at ink blending and using Stampin' Up! Masks. So you will receive 4 card and 1 non-card project kits in this month's box. And all the embossing, cutting, and scoring has been done for you, other than what you will need your Frosted Forest bundle to do. Now, if you don't have the Frosted Forest bundle, it's not a problem. You're welcome to add it onto your kit, and I will ship it together, and I will pay your shipping and tax, saving you almost 20%. However, if you don't want to add it onto your kit, that's okay too. You can substitute something that you have on hand at home. Your product this month is going to include this new, just released Mercury Vellum Specialty Designer Series paper. You'll receive a full pack of foil gems, one of my favorites. And then you're going to receive both gold and silver 1/8 inch ribbon. Once you're done creating your projects, you'll have some product left over that you can continue to create some really amazing projects. And you will have this incredible PDF tutorial that will walk you through creating your projects step by step with ease. Now, this tutorial will include nice, big colored photos to help you see exactly how to create your projects. And you can continue to create additional projects using your own products moving forward with this tutorial after you've created your August box. We're even going to be including a cool tool that we're going to make for you in your box that you're going to use to create with this month. So let me show you your projects. This amazing bonus project is something that will come in your box already made, so it's ready to share, or you can use it to enjoy and make more with your PDF instructions. You will also have 4 beautiful cards featuring ink blending, masking techniques, layering, different techniques you can do with your masks, and gift giving. So I hope that if you're not already subscribed to Creatively Inked, you're going to subscribe and get this box. And if you're already a subscriber, awesome. I'll look forward to creating a cool box to send to you. Boxes will ship about the 1st of September, and registration for this month's box will close on August 20th. Thank you.